how to create Facebook business account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can create a Facebook business account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to basically create a Facebook business account, you will not be able to do so from the Facebook app. To create a business account, we have to open up Business Manager website. So open up your browser here and then simply type in business.facebook.com. so I'll make sure to drop a link below. Just go to business.facebook.com here and then you will see Facebook Business Manager and select that. Now when you're over there, it will ask you to create an account, so you can just tap on create an account option here, and as you have done that, you'll be asked to actually enter your Facebook account if you want to log into Facebook, and after you've done that, you will be asked to basically create a Facebook business account as well. And once you have done that, your business account on Facebook will get successfully created. This way you will be able to create your business account on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.